Hey, how'd my father die?
49 times we fought that beast, your old man and me. We had a chicken head with duck feet, with a woman's face too.
Oh, that's rad.
And it was waiting in the bushes for us. Then it ripped off your dad's face. He was screaming something awful.
Wow, that was not the reaction I was expecting.
Where are you going? You can't just walk away! Don't walk away from me! I said stop!
Ratchet!
I made a mistake. I can make it right. All of it. Fulcrum's star's cracked. We may not be able to get a signal.
Step.
Get off, you annoying little...
So, you coming, General? General?